When I graduated and came back to my community, the community was growing very rapidly and there were Jummah congregations and masajid popping up all over town. One of the greatest needs in the community at that time was the demand for good, solid, relevant khatibs, brothers who were well informed about their religion and who could effectively communicate a message in the Friday sermon. I did as much as I could, but obviously I could only be in one place at one time. So what I started doing was I started working with good brothers in the community, teaching them, training them on how to deliver the Friday khutbah. Alhamdulillah, we started fulfilling the need of the community, at least to a certain extent. That leads to 2009, when we at Qalam developed and conducted the first formal Khateeb training workshop. And alhamdulillah, since 2009 till today, every single year Qalam has conducted this workshop, and brothers have come from not just all over the country, but even from other countries to come, learn, develop, and train on how to effectively deliver the Friday khutbah. At the same time, we were dealing with a second demand. There are a lot of our sisters who, mashallah, are doing an amazing job in representing the community, teaching, educating, and lecturing in different forums and venues. And so a lot of these sisters were reaching out to us, whether they were school teachers or lecturers, or they were speaking at interfaith events. They started reaching out to us, also demanding that there needs to be some type of training and development for the sisters who are communicating the message of Islam as well. So alhamdulillah, in 2013, we were able to develop the Sisters Public Speaking Workshop. And today, we are able to effectively deliver the Khateeb training and Sisters Public Speaking Workshop to folks from all around the country, from a very diverse background, so that we can effectively communicate the message of Islam.